Welcome to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel. Today, we're cooking a sabzi that is healthy and tasty, called red tomato sabji. Please see our playlist for more traditional Indian recipe videos. The benefits of having red tomato sabji are that tomatoes are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamin C and K, along with potassium and powerful antioxidants like lycopene, which our body absorbs better when tomatoes are cooked. These nutrients collectively protect your cells, lower the risk of heart disease, and support glowing skin. Here's everything we'll need to make this delicious, light, and healthy dish. Make sure you keep the ingredients ready. Chopped tomato, curry leaves, chopped coriander, finely chopped onion, hing, turmeric powder, roasted garlic onion chili masala called kanda lasu chutney, salt, crushed roasted groundnut powder, jeera, mustard seeds, and jaggery. Let us now see how the healthy red tomato sabzi is made. Light up the gas stove and take a kadhi with 2 teaspoons of oil in it. Let the oil heat for 2 to 3 minutes. After the oil is heated, add mustard seeds and jeera seeds. Now, add the chopped onion to the kadhi and mix it well so that the onion is fried until we see its color change to translucent. We are now adding hing, turmeric powder, kanda lasu chutney, and salt. Also add curry leaves to the curry. Mix all the ingredients nicely. Now, add a reasonably good amount of jaggery to the kadhi and mix it a little. We need to add chopped red tomatoes to the kadhi and keep stirring the ingredients so that the masala coats the tomatoes. In 3 to 4 minutes, the tomatoes seem to be slightly cooked. It's time to add groundnut powder to the cooked tomatoes and also add chopped coriander. Stir all the ingredients slowly and nicely, as seen in the video. After mixing it well, close the kadhi lid for proper cooking. In 3 to 4 minutes, open the lid to stir the tomato sabzi so that it cooks well. As the tomatoes cook, they shrink, and there is a natural tomato gravy in the kadhi, as you can see. Close the lid so as to cook it for the final time. In 2 to 3 minutes, open the lid and stir well so that the masala does not stick to the bottom of the curry. After proper mixing, our red tomato ki sabzi is ready. We can now switch off the gas stove. The hot and delicious sabzi is ready to be served. You will notice uniformity in the sabji, both in appearance and in taste. This freshly cooked sabzi will complete your healthy daily meal. You can add a little coriander for garnishing. It tastes delicious when served with hot rice and also with freshly made chapati, fulka, or roti. We are sure the taste will impress you and your dear ones while keeping your stomach light and healthy. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more traditional Indian recipe videos. This will encourage us to make new videos. See you next time with another recipe straight from the heart of the Indian kitchen. If you like the video, subscribe to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel for such videos. Share it with your family and friends. Eat healthy, be happy and stay blessed.